In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Behance portfolio into a PDF using both simple manual methods and specialized online tools. It's an essential skill if you want to showcase your digital projects in a more traditional and portable format. Let's dive right in. One of the easiest and most efficient ways to transform your Behance portfolio into a polished and professional-looking PDF is by using a tool called Lasso.inc. Not only is this method straightforward, but it also saves you time that would otherwise be spent tinkering with formatting and layout details. To get started with Lasso.inc, you'll first want to navigate to their website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can quickly and easily do this using either your email or Google account. After signing in, the next thing you'll need to decide is whether you want to convert your entire profile or just individual projects. This flexibility allows you to tailor your PDF to specific audiences or purposes. To initiate the conversion, you'll then need to enter the URL of your Behance profile, or the specific project you'd like to convert. For example, if your username is your username, you would enter a URL such as www.behance.net, your username. It's important to double-check the URL for accuracy to ensure a smooth conversion process. Once you've entered the correct URL, you'll have the opportunity to select from a variety of available templates. These templates can add a unique and personalized touch to your PDF, making it stand out. Lasso.inc also offers the option to customize settings further, providing even greater control over the appearance of your final document. After you've settled on a template and adjusted any additional settings to your liking, simply click on the Convert button. This action will prompt the tool to generate your PDF. When the conversion process is complete, you'll be able to download your new PDF document directly from the site. It's worth noting that Lasso.inc offers both a free and a paid version of its service. The free version is a great way to get started and become familiar with the tool. However, keep in mind that it may include watermarks on your PDF. If you're preparing your portfolio for a professional setting and would prefer a clean, watermark-free document, you might want to consider the paid version, which removes these watermarks and enhances the overall presentation of your work. And there you have it, an uncomplicated, effective way to convert your Behance portfolio into a PDF using Lasso.inc. This method ensures that your creative projects are beautifully showcased and easily shareable with potential clients or collaborators. Happy creating!